The UGC video you're about to see was entirely AI generated.
I honestly reached a point where I didn't even want to leave my house. I hated catching my reflection in the mirror. I felt like I was doing everything right, but my skin just wouldn't clear up. Then I started tretinoin. It wasn't an overnight fix. It was a journey. But looking at my skin now, I finally feel like myself again. If you're struggling right now, please don't give up. The glow is so worth it.
I created this whole thing using Arcads.ai, which is a platform that specializes in AI UGC videos. It's also one of the only platforms right now, from what I can tell, that can create realistic looking AI UGCs like the one you just watched. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on exactly how I made it. So without wasting any time, let's get right to it. All right, so first things first, head over to Arcads.ai. There will be a link in the description if you want to follow along. Arcads also actually has a ton of different features and tools, as you can see here. In this video though, I'm going to focus specifically on the exact setup I used to create the UGC earlier. Once you're inside Arcads, go ahead and create a new project. Then click on add actors. Here you'll see the list of actors that Arcads provides out of the box. You can also create custom actors if you wish. In my case, I'm just going to use one of the presets, and for this example, I'll pick Helen. Next, I'll paste in my A role script, which is the script the model is going to speak. I generated the script by sending the following prompt to ChatGPT. Now, one really cool feature Arcads offers is the ability to annotate your script with emotions, so the model's expressions better match the context. You can just type a slash and choose from different emotions, so I'll quickly add those to the script here. All right, there you go. Now, if you click on this button at the bottom, you'll see the actor settings. I'll keep Arcads 1.0 selected, which is already set by default. Then I'll click on the model to adjust things like style exaggeration and speaking speed. Once that's done, I'll click generate so we can review the audio first and make sure everything sounds good. The video is built on top of the audio, so this step is important.
I honestly reached a point where I didn't even want to leave my house.
Now that I'm happy with the audio, it's time to generate the video. While the A-roll video is generating, I'll start working on the B-roll by first creating the images we'll use to generate the footage. The first B-roll shot should show her before she started using the cream, where she has acne and is checking herself out in a selfie style video. To do this, I copied the model's image and pasted it into ChatGPT, then asked it to generate an image prompt based on that. After that, I went to the image tab in Arcads, pasted the prompt, added the reference image, selected Nano Banana Pro as the model, and clicked generate. I set the quantity to 3 since images don't always come out perfect, and so this gives me options to choose from. From the images that got generated, the middle one looked perfect, so I copied that image and passed it back into ChatGPT, this time asking it to generate a video prompt to bring the image to life. Then I copied that prompt, went to the video tab in Arcads, pasted it in, selected the image as the starting frame, picked VO 3.1 as the video model, and clicked generate. And while that was generating, our A-roll video's generation was complete successfully, and this is what it looks like.
I honestly reached a point where I didn't even want to leave my house. I hated catching my reflection in the mirror. I felt like I was doing everything right, but my skin just wouldn't clear up. Then I started tretinoin. It wasn't an overnight fix. It was a journey. But looking at my skin now, I finally feel like myself again. If you're struggling right now, please don't give up. The glow is so worth it.
Next, it was time to work on the second B-roll, where we placed the product in the model's hand. So I passed the product image into ChatGPT and asked it to create an image prompt where she's squeezing a pea-sized amount of the cream onto her fingertips. Then I pasted that prompt along with the reference images of both the model and the product into Arcads and clicked generate. In the meantime, the first B-roll footage finished generating and it looked great. And shortly after that, the second B-roll images were also ready. I picked this one here, copied it, and did the same thing as before. I asked ChatGPT to generate a video prompt of her applying the cream to her face, then pasted that prompt into Arcads and clicked generate. Next, I started working on the third B-roll, where she starts seeing results and her skin looks more clear. So once again, I went to ChatGPT, generated an image prompt, and clicked generate. And at first, both the video of her applying the cream and the progress images didn't turn turn out great, so I had to regenerate them. This is a good example of how you don't always get the perfect results on the first try and sometimes need a few attempts. But the second attempt worked perfectly, and these are the results. The final things left to do was to turn the third B-roll image of her showing her progress into a video and work on the fourth and final B-roll, which shows her new skin as a result of using the cream. And without exception, I followed the same steps as before, generating the image prompt with ChatGPT and then turning it into a video. And after those were done, I did some editing of all the footage in my preferred editing tool, and this is what the final output looked like, which is the exact same video that you saw at the beginning of the video.
I honestly reached a point where I didn't even want to leave my house. I hated catching my reflection in the mirror. I felt like I was doing everything right, but my skin just wouldn't clear up. Then I started tretinoin. It wasn't an overnight fix. It was a journey. But looking at my skin now, I finally feel like myself again. If you're struggling right now, please don't give up. The glow is so worth it.
Alright, so that's about it with the video. As you can see, it is now this easy to create AI UGC content that looks ultra realistic with tools like Arcads.ai. So if you decide to try it out, be sure to check down the link in the description below and let me know what you think if you do actually try it down in the comment section. Having that said, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you think it was, be sure to leave it a like as it really helps the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. But I hope you have a wonderful day ahead. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.